A coil of resistance is 5 ohm and inductance is 100 millihenry and is connected in series with a 200 microfarad, and this value micro will be written as 10 power minus 6, and here is 10 power minus 3. A connected across a 220 volt 50 hertz supply. In this, we have to calculate the inductive reactance, capacitive reactance. Inductive reactance is denoted as XL, and capacitive reactance is denoted as XC. And impedance, we have to use that letter will be Z, and current will be I, and power factor P, and total power we have to calculate the across the load, and voltage across the capacitor. Next, we have to write a given data. The given data will be written as the resistance R is equal to 5 ohm. Inductance is equal to 100 millihenry, 100 into 10 power minus 3. That will be written as inductance means XL. Here inductive reactance will be written as L. And next we move on to capacitance. The capacitance will be connected as, it depend upon the unit is microfarad. So 200 microfarad, the micro value will be written as into 10 power minus 6, and the unit is farad. Here the unit is henry. Next, voltage value will be 220 volt. The frequency is equal to 50 hertz. First condition, we have to calculate the first equations. Inductive reactance. Inductive reactance. The inductive reactance will be taken as XL. XL is equal to 2 pi F into L. The value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Written as 22 by 7 into F will be written as 50 hertz into the L value written as 100 into 10 power minus 3. Next, 44 divided by 7 into 50 into 100. This equation we have using the calculator, we have to calculate it as 31.415 XL. Multiply the values. Next we have to calculate the capacitance. Capacitance written as XC equal to 1 by 2 pi into FC. Here the value of C value is 200 microfarad. Will be written as 1 by 2 pi into, the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14, and F value is 50 into, C value is 200 into 10 power minus 6. 1 by 2 into 3.14 into 50 into 200 into minus 6 is going to numerator part by 10 power plus 6. Then you have to calculate and solve using calculator. You have to calculate the value is 15.915 ohm to calculate the value of XC. Z is equal to R plus real term plus J in terms of imaginary terms. The imaginary term is XL minus XC. Okay, R is the real the part, and XL minus XC is a imaginary. Is equal to 5. The R value will be taken as 5 plus J into 31. Already we calculated the value is 31.415. 31.415 minus 15.915 value. Then Z is equal to 5 plus J into the minus that value is 15.5. Boom. Calculate the value of impedance. Next, fourth one is uh, see if you're having the z value, this z value can be calculated as square root of formula is real term square plus imaginary term square. Okay. What is the real term value? 5. So 5 the whole square plus imaginary term is 15.5 the whole square. Next, take the values and multiply the values and take square root. The value will be 16.286 ohm. The Z value is 16.286 ohm. Okay. Next, the current we have to calculate the value of current by using Ohm's law. Will be written as V is equal to IR, I is equal to V by R. Instead of R, we are using the Z impedance. The value of V is equal to 220 is taken from question. Then Z value will be previously determined 16.286 ohm. You have to cancel the value. The current value I is equal to 13.5 ampere. Next, you have to calculate the power factor. The power factor is cos phi is equal to R by Z. R value will be 5 and Z value is 16.286. The value will be, by using calculation, we have to obtain the value is 307. Next, we have to calculate the power, total power. The total power general formula power is equal to VI in terms of angle with VA into cos phi. The value of V is 220 into current value. We already find out the value is 13.5. So substitute the value 13.5 into cos phi value is, this value will be cos phi. The cos phi value is 0.307. You have to calculate the value is 911.79 watts. Next, to calculate the question is voltage across the coil. So the voltage across the coil means general formula, the voltage V is equal to IR. Instead of this question, related to the question, the voltage of coil is equal to I into the resistance will be written as X into coil. So high value written as usual high. The cos phi is equal to, that is X value will be written as root of R square plus XL the whole square. I into high value going to return as 13 point, I'll return the value is 13.5 to 13.5 into root of R value is 5 square plus XI value is already written. Then I find the values XL is equal to 31.415 the whole square. 5 square is 25, then 31 square, then add the values and take square root and multiply, the value will be 13.5. The total value is 429.4 volt. That is called as a V coil. Next, calculate the voltage across the capacitor. Capacitor general formula V is equal to, same formula, capacitor VC is equal to I into XC. Then VC is the voltage across the capacitor, I is a current, and XC is a resistor in terms of capacitance. That is considered as a inductive capacitance. I value is 13.5 into XL value, already find out the value. X is equal to 15.915. Substitute this equation is 15.915. Multiply the value, VC is equal to 21.25 unit voltage. So the unit of voltage is volt. That's it. This is a RLC combination.